What it's like. You don't understand, man.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
So welcome, my name is David Butt. This is Butt Studios. This is actually a showroom for modular houses for crisis relief. But then we turned it into an art gallery, trying to bring together art and culture and different things. So I hope you enjoy your stay.
Can only be Jarid. King Mallard in the flesh. Behind me is a space of excellence that we worked on. What was it? Say like 3, 4?
2017 or 2018? Yeah, might have been
Wow.
2018, I think.
From the archives.
I'm from archives.
There's
Show him the back. Show him his back.
Right, let's get it. Hold on, here. Hold it.
There we go.
You see it?
One and the same.